Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add space after numbering in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to add a space after numbering. Click the numbering option, then choose any numbering. Then again go to the numbering option and go to bullets and numberings. Then we can see there are many options. We select the indent list by, then increase the indent list, then click OK, then write anything on our keyboard. Now we can see we add a space after numbering this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.